my dear students. In the previous video we discussed about one of the Panchatantra story. In that story the lion name was Jung. He was the king of the jungle. He had two ministers. They were two jackals, Chalu and Golu. They were very cunning. One day the Jung went to the river to drink water. He heard an animal bellow. He frightened by the sound, he went back to his cave. What happened to the Jung? Now we can see in this video. At first, Jung would not tell them anything. He was too ashamed to let them know that he, the king of the jungle, was afraid of a sound. The king was not saying anything because he was too ashamed. What is the meaning of ashamed? Feeling shame. Ashamed, feeling shame. He was ashamed of his poor results. He was ashamed of his poor results. The king was not saying anything because he was too ashamed. The king of the jungle was afraid of unknown bellow sound. But the next day the same thing happened. Then Jung called his ministers and told them that he had decided to leave the jungle and go away. In the beginning the king was not saying anything because he was too ashamed. The king of the jungle was afraid of unknown bellow sound. The next day also same thing happened, so he decided to leave the jungle to other safe place. Chalu and Golu were very disappointed to hear this. What would happen to them if the lion went away? They would have to work to find their food and would have to live in fear of other wild animals. Chalu and Golu were two jackals. They were disappointed. They were not happy with this decision. If the lion left this jungle, they have to work, they have to find their food, they have to save their lives. The selfish jackals thought themselves not to allow the lion go to other place. No, they could not let the lion go to another jungle. They begged and pleaded with Jung till he told them that he had been frightened by a terrible sound. It could only belong to a strong beast who feared no one else in the jungle. So the selfish jackals thought themselves not to allow the lion go to another place. They begged. What is the meaning of beg? They request. They begged. What is the meaning of pleaded? Plead. An earnest appeal. An earnest appeal. The child pleaded to buy an ice cream. The child pleaded to buy an ice cream. The two jackals, they begged, they requested and they pleaded. Pleaded means I told beginning only, an earnest appeal. To ask the Jung, let them confirm who is making a terrible sound. The sound might be strong beast in the jungle. The sound might be made by a strong beast or animal in the jungle. What is the meaning of beast? Any animal, wide, especially a large. What is the meaning of beast? Any animal, wide, especially a large. The bully is a beast. What is the meaning of disappoint? To fail to fulfill the hopes. To fail to fulfill the hopes. She was disappointed by her bad exam result. She was disappointed by her bad exam result. Hearing this, the two jackals smiled to themselves, for they knew that there could be no animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. They thought that Jung was very foolish. Just because the animal had made a loud noise, it did not mean that it was more powerful than the lion, but they did not say this to the lion. Instead, Chalu said that he would go and find out more about that animal. Hearing this, the two jackals smiled themselves. The cunning jackals, they understood this, they smiled themselves. They knew that, the jackals knew that no other animal in the jungle is stronger than the lion. They thought that Jung was very foolish. They thought that Jung was foolish. He was not intelligent. What is the meaning of foolish? A stupid person or action. A stupid person or action. He was foolish to leave his car unlocked in town. He was foolish to leave his car unlocked in town. The jackals knew that no other animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. They thought the Jung was very foolish. He was not an intelligent. Just because the animal had made a loud noise. The jackals knew that the lion is the more powerful animal to compare to other animals. But they did not say this to the lion. Instead, that what said the Chalu? They will go and confirm which is that animal making a terrible sound. What if the beast kills you? Asked Jung. To this Chalu replied craftily, a faithful servant is not afraid of losing his life in the service of his master. Now the Jung asked to his ministers, what happens if the beast kills you? The cunning Chalu replied very cleverly, answer, a faithful servant will always be ready to give his life in the service of his master. Craftily means cleverly. The king was very pleased with this reply, and Chalu with Golu in tow went off towards the river. Listening to this word, Chalu's words, the king was very happy. What is the meaning of tow? Following close behind, both jackals went towards the river to find out the beast. To their surprise, the jackals found that the animal that had frightened the lion was a big bull who had lost his way in the jungle. When they went to look in the jungle, that the sound that frightened by the king was a big bull. Chalu scolded the animal for making so much noise and disturbing the king of the jungle. The bull became quiet immediately. He told Chalu that he did not know his way around and that he was willing to go and let the king, that he was sorry for annoying him. But he first wanted the king to promise not to harm him. Chalu scolded the animal for making so much noise and disturbing the king of the jungle. Chalu was very smart. He scolded the animal using hard words. He scolded the animal using hard words. Chalu said that the bull that is loud noise and was disturbing to the king of the jungle. After listening to the Chalu's words, the bull was quiet immediately. He was very silent. When he listening to the Chalu's words. And the bull said he was by mistake in the jungle. He didn't know the way he has to go. and he was willing to say sorry to the king of the jungle. What is the meaning of annoy? To irritate. The flies annoy me. To irritate. Annoy means to irritate. The flies annoy me. The jackals told the bull to wait right there, and off they went to the jung and told him that the creature that was making all the noise was only a bull. The jackals told the bull to wait right there. The jackals told the bull, you wait here. And they went to the jung. The jackals told to the king that the creature who is making a terrible sound, it's a bull. It's not an ordinary bull. It was not an ordinary bull. It's a messenger of the God. He was a messenger of the gods, and the gods themselves had granted him permission to roam wherever he pleased. That the creature who is making such a terrible noise, it was a bull. It's not an ordinary bull. He was a messenger of the God. He was sent by God. God has given permission to him. He will move wherever he want to. What is the meaning of creature? A living being, especially an animal. A living being, especially an animal. There is a small furry creature in our garden. There is a small furry creature in our garden. Messenger. What is the meaning of messenger? A person who carries messages. A person who carries messages. A messenger took the report to head office. A messenger took the report to head office. I should have known, cried Jung. It was clear from his loud and fearless bellowing that he had extraordinary powers. What should I do now? The Jung said, I should know about it, cried Jung. I should know about it, cried Jung, because the sound that animal made, it's a very terrible sound. It's a very loud sound. It's a fearless sound. What is the meaning of fearless sound? Not afraid of anybody. Now the Jung asked his minister, what should I do now? The cunning Chalu replied, I told the bull that he might be a king anywhere else, but here only you are the king. Jung sat up very straight and looked very considerate. The cunning Chalu replied, I told to the bull, might be you are king anywhere else, but here only you are the king. Who are the king here? The Jung. The Jung sat up very straight. The Jung was now proud himself when he listening to the Chalu's word. Considered. What is the meaning of considered? Proud. Never be too conceit of yourself. Never be too conceit of yourself. Conceit means, considered means here proud. Chalu added, I also told him that if he wants to live in the jungle, he has to come and say sorry to you. The Chalu told, I also told the bull, if he wants to live in this jungle, say sorry to in front of you. So whom he want to say the sorry? To the Jung, who is the king of the jungle. The lion was so pleased by now that he was almost purring like a cat. And what did the bull have to say to that? He wanted to know. The lion was so pleased by now that he was almost purring like a cat. And what did the bull have to say to that? He wanted to know. When hearing this word, the lion was almost like a cat when he heard the Chalu's words. And the jung was waiting. What is the reply of a bull? Chalu replied, he has agreed to come and bow before you on the condition that you promise not to harm him. Chalu replied, he has agreed to come and bow before you on the condition that you promise not to harm him. The Chalu replied, the bull agreed to say sorry you if you not harm him. What is the meaning of promise? An assurance. What is the meaning of promise? An assurance. Promise me you will drive carefully. Promise me you will drive carefully. The lion agreed happily. The two jackals looked at each other and smiled. They knew that the lion was now completely in their power and would agree to anything they said. And soon the bull would be in their power too. The lion happily agreed with his request. The lion was happily agreed with his request. So the two jackals looked at each other, they smiled themselves. Now the jackals came to know the king was ready to accept whatever they want to do. The jackals came to know the king was ready to accept whatever they want to do. The lion and the bull were under their control. The lion afraid of a bull, the bull scared of the lion. Both of them were afraid of each other. The trick was to keep the lion scared of the bull and the bull afraid of the lion. Both of them each other they afraid of. The lion afraid of the bull afraid of the lion. So they went and told the bull that they would take him to the lion. They warned him that the king was very short-tempered and cruel, but that he need not be afraid. So they went and told the bull that they would take him to the lion. So now before the jackals took the bull near the lion, they warned the bull. What they warned? They given some instruction that the king was very cruel and short temper. What is the meaning of tempered? Express anger. Express anger. Always try to control your temper. Always try to control your temper. The two jackals, they warned the bull that the king was very cruel. He was very short temper. If you ready to agree our commands, and if you agree to ready our commands, if you agree and if you follow us, you would be in safe and you will be in protected from the lion. If you do what we say and listen to us, always you will be safe. They told him and promised to protect him from the lion. So if you are ready to accept our commands, you need not worry. And if you follow us, you would be in safe. You will be protected from the lion. The bull was very grateful to the jackals. The bull was very grateful to the jackals. He went with them to the king and bowed low before him. He said to the lion, I am sorry for making so much noise and disturbing you. The bull was very grateful and thankful to the jackals. He went with the jackals near the lion. He ready to say sorry to the king. He ready to bow in front of the lion. And the bull said the sorry for the king to disturbing the king. The lion raised his paw as if to say it was all right. Then he asked the bull to sit beside him and tell him all about himself. The lion was very kind now. The lion was very kind. The lion forgave the bull. He forgave the bull and it said it was all right. Then he asked the bull to sit beside him, to sit near him, and tell all about what happened in his past life. What is the meaning of grateful? Feeling thankful. I am grateful for your help. I am grateful for your help. The bull sat down, surprised by the lion's gentleness. He told the king, I am from a nearby city. I was carrying a load for a merchant to another city through the jungle. The bull sat down. He was very surprised about the lion's gentleness, the lion's good behavior. What is the meaning of gentle? Kind. Be gentle to all. Be gentle to all. When hearing the lion's words, he was very surprised about the lion's good behavior, lion's kindness. And the bull started telling about himself to near the king. I am from nearby city. I am from nearby city. I was carrying a load for a merchant one city to another city. On the way, I fell down from exhaustion. The merchant, thinking me dead, left me and went away, but I revived in a few days. I fed on the green grass of the jungle and became strong and healthy. I am from nearby city. I was carrying a load for a merchant to one city to another city. On the way, I was tired, so I fell down. The merchant thought I was dead. He left me in this jungle and went away. After some time, I woke up. I ate green grass and become strong and healthy. Revived means restore life. The flowers soon revived in water. Exhaustion means tiredness. She is exhausted from her long journey. However, I was very lonely. That is why I was calling out like that. He ended. However, I was very lonely. That is why I was calling out like that. He ended. So I am feeling alone in the jungle. That's why I was making a terrible sound. The bull said to the king, and he ended. The lion by now had taken a great liking to the bull. He told the bull to stay in the jungle and be his friend. You will never be lonely now, said the lion. You must live with me and tell me tales of the city. Now the lion told to the bull, you must stay in the jungle and be my friend. You are not alone in the jungle. I am accompany with you and tell all about, tales means stories. Tell about different places and person stories to the king. So the bull stayed on. He told Jung many stories about distant places and people. The lion became so fond of the bull that he almost forgot his ministers. The bull also agreed to stay with the lion. He told the Jung many stories. He told them many stories about distant places, different places and people's stories to the king. The lion became so fond of the bull that he almost forgot his ministers. When he started listening to the stories, the king was almost forgot his ministers. Distant means far off. The bull comes from a distant land. Distant means far off. The bull comes from distant land. The Jung almost forgot his minister. After listening so many stories, the king almost forgot his ministers. He had no time for them now. The Jung so much busy with the bull. He don't have time to the jackals. Thus, the jackals realize that those who try to act too clever and fool others end up fooling only themselves. Now the jackals realized they acted too smart. They fooling and cheating the lion. At the end, they fooled themselves. Children, what is the moral of the story? Who try to act too clever and fool others at the end of fooling themselves. Thank you, children.